how to launch the YMSG YouTube Monetization Strategy Generator. You go to the description and then you look for the YMSG, the link below it, you click on it. That's it. That's how to launch it. Now you'll be sent to this page. You can read through, watch the video on how to use the YMSG. Then you click here to launch the YMSG. How to use the YouTube Monetization Strategy Generator, YMSG. Build your YouTube empire from scratch in 71 days. You're supposed to input the following: your passion or interests, your expertise or skill, your market demand or target, and then required expected transformation. So we are going to enter them one by one. Now I've already typed them, so I just copy and paste. So the first, yeah, the interest or passion. Then you enter it here. You go to expertise or skill, copy, and then paste it in this field. You go to the next field, market demand target. So this copy, paste. Then the last one, required or expected transformation. You want your ideal viewer to get. Make sure you are a little bit detailed so that the tool will be able to give you accurate output. Okay, then after entering the field, you click on generate my 71-day empire. Okay, now so here we are. Now this has been grouped into four. We have the brand foundation. So you copy all that you got under the brand foundation. Right click and copy. Or you can use Control plus C. Then you paste it in your documents. I'm using Google Doc. So you paste it here. So Control Shift V to just paste it for me. You need to group them so separate them with that equal sign. Then you come to the content strategy. Click on it. So here we are now. The 7 golden video titles. You need the script. So you come to generate 7 golden scripts. So these titles, this 7 one, we have their script. Then the script will only be generated when you click on generate 7 golden. So you click on it. So the one is ready, you copy the whole thing and you are good to go. Okay, it's now ready. So we are now going to copy everything, starting from the 7 golden. So these are the scripts. You see, all the scripts are ready. They are 7. Let's let me confirm. So here is it. So first, see, this is the 7th one. The video 7. Okay. So let me copy it. You copy, then into your Google Doc. You save. Okay. Now we move on to monetization tab. So you click that one too. So you see what the YMSG is giving to you. You are getting a lot. Full business plan. Here you are. Lead magnet, maximum 3. CPA offer, affiliate offer. It's going to suggest one for you. So copy that one too. Okay. Let's copy the whole thing. You come to your Google Doc, paste it here. Okay, so you use the line here. Okay. We'll be using this to set up and configure your YouTube channel to make it business ready. Okay, now let's go to the last tab, the battle plan. So we have these two here. Download the checklist and then unlock the blueprints. So click on this. You allow you to download it straight. So the name is there. Make sure you save it in the folder you've already created for your work. So in my case, my folder is active workshop. So I open it and then I save it. Student Clarity Coach 71-day battle plan based on my niche. Okay. Then the last one, the blueprint. This one is going to actually help you know exactly what to do on each day. So you reach day 71, step by step. Okay. So you will not be left out in the dark. And when you are done for the day, you come to the checklist. I advise you print it so that when you are done with what you're supposed to do from the blueprint, you now come to the checklist and then you take it for the day. You just apportion a particular time period for yourself. So when you are done, you just take. Then you relax for the next day. Okay. Now let's go to the blueprint. So you click here. So you have to complete only one offer below to download your blueprint for the 71-day monetization blueprint and roadmap. This will guide you each step of the way to help you stay focused from day 1 to day 71, showing what to do on each day. Go to the notes, you click on download. Based on your country, you have 3 options, then you choose one.